how to convert English numbers to Arabic numbers in Excel. So if you want to convert English numbers to Arabic numbers in Excel, then first open up your document. And once you're here, for example, I'll be entering the English numbers, which are 1, 2, 3, like that. You can simply go with 10 numbers. For example, I'll be choosing 10. So here, you just need to simply select all of these, right click on it, and then go with Format Cells. And here, you just need to simply go with the Custom option. Under Custom, now you need to remove the general. And once you remove general, you need to enter left square bracket, $sign, and then dash or minus, and 2000000, and right bracket, and then space 0, and then click on OK. And that's it. In this way, you'll be able to convert your English numbers to Arabic numbers in Excel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.